Everyone, welcome to StunnerShare. So today we are going to see the analysis of Nifty using Camarilla. So basically it will be like how to trade Nifty index futures based on Camarilla. So that is what we are going to cover. Before to that, one important update I wanted to give you guys. I have already two membership plans. One for 29 rupees. That is like whatever content I'm uploading in YouTube. If you feel that it is worth to pay, then you can pay 29 rupees per month. It will be like not even 1 rupee per day. And I'm not going to get the entire 29 rupees per month for me. That is one. And second membership is for backtesting videos. Those who are actually following Pivotboss concept and they wanted to implement and see. But before to that, I wanted to know whether it has worked in the past years or not. So for those, I have uploaded the backtesting videos. Actually, I've done a lot of manual testing in that particular video. So that is why I have planned it to put it for 299 per month. It is not even 10 rupees per month. And also, I'm not going to get the entire 299 rupees per month. And from today, I have actually started to upload the videos on MoneyZone. And that MoneyZone is available for all the three membership. Okay, I'm not revealed about the third membership, but all the three membership. If you are ready to support the channel, if you are ready to pivot bus testing video, or the third one which I'm going to reveal, all three it is available. If you want, you can go into the YouTube channel and you can actually see it. Okay, so now let me come to the third membership what I have activated. So the third membership is for the amount 7,999 per month. So there will be one question. 29 rupees, okay, that's okay. Something you are uploading, that is educational, some you are doing it for free, okay. 299, okay, we are following pivots, so we wanted to know whether the backtesting works or not. Okay. But why 799? So this is only for those who are playing in futures and options. Okay, one that too more specifically to futures. And why did I say futures and options when I say more specifically to futures? You notice when I am planning to buy a futures, the total amount of cost it will be around 63,000 or 64,000, whatever. Okay, or actually it was above 1 lakh, but I'm not sure why it has been showing it as 63,000 right now. Maybe the margin difference might be there or for Nifty futures. So if I try to buy a put option for hedging purpose, in the case when I don't actually have a what is that called put option, the payoff chart is like this. You will have extraordinary profit, you will have extraordinary loss. You will not be very sure that what will be your loss. So what I do is like I plan to add a put option, just a random factor. I'm planning to add a put option here. Your loss will be limited. Your loss will be limited and fixed towards some amount, and your profit will be unlimited. So that is why I prepared this one. Clear? So that is why I say futures and options. So those who are actually interested to play in futures and options, they can actually opt in for the third membership. Okay, so that is for 7,999, for which I have done again the back testing. So for the whatever concept I have worked on. So the point here is, if you are having a capital of say 2 lakhs, okay, and if you are ready to lose 50,000, okay, not in a single trade. In a single trade, at max, you might lose 23,000 to 25,000 at max. Okay, but there might be continuous loss trades also for like say 3 to 4 trades, whatever you have taken. And all those 3 to 4 trades can be continuously be in loss. And if that loss occurs, then that loss can go up to 50,000. If you are ready to lose 50,000, but you will follow that systematic way, whatever is being told, then your profit will be huge. So whatever I have tested, if you are trading in a low VIX environment, your loss, overall loss will be less than 1 lakh for all the trades. All the trades summing up it is less than 1 lakh. Okay. And the profit which you are getting when you are at least going with 1:1, okay, only 1:1, the profit you are getting, it is going to be more than 1.5 lakhs. Okay, your loss will be maximum 90,000, 85 to 90,000, but your profit, overall profit will be 1,50,000. Okay, so by this you can actually improvise and go good if you are well aware of this strategy. And but you have to strictly follow whatever has been told. Okay, and also if you are dealing with put, okay, right now whatever I have told, whatever loss I have told, whatever profit I have told, it is only with futures. But if you are going to deal with put, your loss will still reduce. If you are ready to follow that, if you are ready to accept it and then go for a trade, then well and good, you can opt in. If you feel that no, I don't want to go in for futures and options, then up to you. But I have tested it completely for that 8 years, and all this proper strategy, proper setup, proper entry, proper exit criteria, when to hold, when not to hold, what will be the reversal signature for to exit, all these has been documented, and I will show everything in that video, but only if someone is opting in. Clear? So that is what I have already told, and you guys can easily check what is the profit, what is the loss you have faced, and it is also based on Wicks. You wanted to trade in low Wicks environment, then go for it. You wanted to trade in high Wicks environment, then go for it. You wanted to trade in both the environments, then also you can go for it. I don't see major impact. Okay. If you are trading with low Wicks environment, obviously the loss will be less. If you are trading with high Wicks environment, obviously the loss will be more. So here, whenever the loss is less, your profit will be less. Whenever your loss is high, your profit will be high. This is what the strategy. So if you are really interested to trade in futures and options, then opt in. Otherwise, please don't opt in. There are lot of pivots related strategy which will actually give you good results. Okay. And whatever the strategy which I have told now regarding futures and options, it is completely on weekly time frame. You have to carry it for sure. You have to carry it for at least this week completely. Like assume you take a trade on Monday, you have to complete the trade at least till Friday, or you might, sometimes you might need to carry it for the next week. So if you are ready to carry, then opt in. If you are not ready to carry, if you are not ready to face any risk, then don't take that risk. Also, please note, this is only for buy side. On the sell side, I have not back tested it, so I will not be able to comment on it. Clear? And one more question, lot of questions will be there, but there will be another question like, is there any particular intraday strategy which can also give you good returns? Yes, that is also there. I have actually tested for this year's data. It is actually resulting good. So it is up to you whether you guys wanted to opt in or not. So I have given you a clear picture on three things. So what will be new is that chapter 3 money zone has been uploaded for all the 3 members, and for 7999 video is yet to be uploaded. I have not made that video. Only if anyone has joined, I will be making a video. And please note, it will be like maximum in a month 2 videos only will be uploaded. If you feel that value of the content is really good, then opt in. Otherwise it's up to your guys' wish. Okay. So now let us go to the Camarilla analysis, and let us see what Camarilla analysis is resulted for May month. Okay. So basically, to go in further, you have to understand what is Camarilla relationship layers. So this light red color, that is called as H3. Okay. This light red color, that is called as H3, which is called reversal layer. L3 is a reversal layer. So here resistance, here support. This is breakout. So here there is a breakdown can happen, and this is breakout. There is a possibility of breakout to happen. This purple is going to be the target. So now let us see what has happened in Camarilla. We are not going to check based on previous Camarilla. We are just going to see whether any reversal or breakout is happening. So on May month, okay, the candle has opened between H3 and L3. Our point is go to R3. If we reversal, then take a trade. Till now, no reversal. Closed above H3, no trade. If it has closed above H3, then it has to close above H4 for any trade. No trades has happened till now. Clear? Now let us go to next day, May 3rd. Here the candle has actually closed above the H4, and actually it is a breakout trade. If you are going for a trade, then your target is going to be H5. But the distance between the breakout high and the H5 is very less. So stay away from this trade. Next, what has happened is like, if there is any reversal seen at H3, then you can go for the trade. But actually there is a close below H3. If you wanted to initiate a trade, yes, you can initiate a trade below this, and your target will be L3, and that is also achieved. Now Further, there is no support taken, but this looks like a Wick reversal setup. And if this high is crossed, you can take a trade for H3. Clear? But it has actually broken above H4 and then went towards L5. L4 and went towards L5. But the distance between L4 and L5 is very less. So it is better to avoid this trade. So for now, one trade we have got and one trade is successful. Next day opened between H3 and L3, and we need a reversal or rejection at H3. I don't see any reversal or rejection, but this candle is also called as bearish engulfing pattern. If you wanted to initiate a trade, yes, you can initiate a trade and your target will be this point. But again, one more thing which I wanted to highlight here is, one more thing you want to highlight here is the overall distance for this bearish engulfing pattern is going to be 140 rupees. So on a intraday time frame, will you be okay to take this 140 rupees stop loss? That actually matters. Now coming for, so far now one trade only we have got and that trade is successful. Now again it is open between H3 and L3. We have to either see a rejection at H3 or L3. Yes, I see a rejection at L3 but no follow up and then started falling down. Now it has closed below L4. It can go towards L5. Based on your risk appetite, you can take this trade. But here, if you see 70 points as stop loss, will you be taking a trade or not? You need to say. But whenever H4 is crossed, it has gone. It will go to H5. Whenever L4 is crossed, it will go to L5, and that has been happening for all the trades till now. But we are still considering only one trade, which is here. Which is here actually H3 to L3, which has happened. So out of all these 4 days, only one trade was successful and one trade has happened. Now this is also a support taking activity. Price closed above the L3, which is also a reversal sign. So whenever there is a trade like this, your expectation is that it will grow towards H3. And now this total point is 80 points. Will you take a trade or not? That's your decision. But again, it came for a pullback. Again took a support. This is also a big reversal setup. And now the total points is 42. Will you take a trade or not? You have to decide. But ultimately our target of H3 is done. So 2 trades, it is successful. Now third one, this is also a reversal setup. This reversal setup is called as a doji reversal setup, and also multiple reversal candlesticks also seen. And further, if you notice, this is also a doji reversal setup. But whenever whenever you have taken a trade, your stop loss got hit. But I would tell you, whenever, say for example, whenever you are going to initiate a trade for H3, if there is a close above H3 and above that you exit. So what I mean is that, say for example, this is a L3 trade. So what will be your stop loss? Your stop loss should be if there is a close below L3 and if that close is broken, then exit. Same way, if this is a close above H3 and if there is a cross above this high, then exit. But luckily we did not go and we were not able to carry this trade, but ultimately we ended up in profit. So 3 trades are successful. Now next trade is, this is a support at L3, but the reversal candlesticks is ulta, so we will not be able to take any trade. And then a breakout below the L4, and expectation is that it can go towards L5. It has done. So 4 trades are completely successful. Now the next trade, the candle opened between H3 and L3. Expectation is that if there is any reversal at H3, then take a trade. But there is no reversals at H3. There are some bars like closed below H3 and all those. But if you wanted to take a trade based on this, or you wanted to wait for the reversal setup, it is up to you. You want to decide. But I am concentrating only on the Pivotboss reversal setups which has been told. So for now, there is no trade here. Now, so till now 4 trades are successful. Now again price opened below H3 and above R3 but closed below L4. Now the target is L5, it is achieved. So 5 trades are successful. And after that, this is a support taking activity at the what is this called L3, and expectation is towards what H3. Yes, the target is achieved, but our stop loss got hit. So unfortunately, first loss we have faced in the 6 trades. So out of 6 trades, 5 trades are successful and 1 trade is lost. And then between H3 and L3, and if there is resistance phase, there is no resistance phase, so no trade. Again here, this is a outside reversal setup, or this is also called as a bearish engulfing pattern. I don't know why this bearish engulfing pattern, I have activated all this, but it is not showing in the chart. I don't know why. So if you also notice that this is a bearish engulfing pattern, if you wanted to initiate a trade, your target will be L3 and that is achieved. And then here it actually started taking support, and after taking support, if you wanted to initiate a trade, it will actually go to H3, but unfortunately the target or the stop loss did not hit it. But there are a lot of reversals in, maybe next day it would have gone and again it had gone, but let me consider this also as loss. So out of 7 trades, out of 8 trades, 6 are successful and 2 are lost. So this is one trade which I'm considering. Okay, now again price opened above H4 and closed above H4, but there is no follow-up, so there is nothing went till H5. But again it has come below H3, and this is proper reversal setup, but as per candlestick pattern or pivot boss concept we don't have, so we are ignoring. And later what has happened is that this is also not a proper reversal setup, and this might be a proper reversal setup, but I don't know how many people will consider this as a weak reversal setup. If you have considered, you would have gone till H3 and that has been achieved, but let me not take this trade for now. And then what has happened is that this is a breakdown below L4 and you can initiate a trade that will take you to L5, but unfortunately it did not happen and our stop loss got it. So out of 9 trades, 6 trades are profit and 3 trades are loss. And again between H3 and L3, this is a reversal setup, doji reversal setup. So the expectation is that it can come towards L3, but till the end of the day, it was on a no profit, no loss zone. So we will consider this trade, but no profit, no loss. So we are not including that. And this day I will be avoiding, because this pivot is calculated on this day and this pivot is calculated on this day, but there is a short day, so I am ignoring these 2 days. Let me go to the next 22nd of May. If you see between H3 and L3, it has opened, taken support at L3, went towards H3, but this candle will not be able to take a trade. And again, this is a candle which you can take a trade, but again, if you see this high to low is very high, and it is also after 2 o'clock, so it is better to avoid. Now this is a weak reversal setup, but before the low got broken, the high got broken, so we are not taking a trade here as well. So out of 9 trades, 6 are successful, 3 are in loss. And now this is a breakout trade above H4 and the expectation is moving towards H5 and completely done. Even after, if you are still holding above H5, it would have given a good profit. Anyways, our profit is H5. So out of 10 trades, 7 are successful, 3 are in loss. Price opened between H3 and L3. No rejections at both the reversal layers, so no trade. Price opened above H3 but closed below H3, and there is no reversal sign seen. So, and then later it gave a breakout, but that breakout is very near to H5, so we are avoiding this trade. Next day again between H3 and L3, but no reversal seen. Maybe you can consider this as a trade, 45 points, and it has actually gone towards 45 points and it is given 1:1, but had not reached H3, and end of the day it remained no profit, no loss, or less slightly loss. So let me consider as 11 trades, 7 are profit, 4 are in loss. And then broken below L4, expectation is go towards L5. Yes, done, but the L4 low to L5 is very less, so it is better to avoid. Breakdown below L4, went towards L5. This is a good successful trade. And then price between opened above H4, it is very near to H5, so avoid, and came towards down. And then this is also a good breakout candle. If you want to take out a trade, yes, you can take out a trade. If you are taking out a trade, again H5 is also done. So approximately, if I see total, if you consider some of the trades are not based on your risk appetite, I would say that less number of loss and 75% of the times it has given profit. And you have to notice one more thing. This month, May month, was a highly volatile month. It was going up, it was going down. Even though we did not hold a trade, we just exited based on the reversal layers target. We were able to end up in a good profit. More than 75% of the trades were successful only in May month. So to summarize whatever has been discussed here, 3 memberships available. Whichever you want, you can opt in. Secret of Pivotboss 3rd chapter and 4th chapter is also uploaded for all 3. And the 3rd membership which has been introduced, I have explained about it. It's up to you whether you wanted to take or not. Please know the risk involved in it. And then we have discussed about the Camarilla strategy, Camarilla pivot trading. And here, if H3 and L3 are called as reversal layers, so you have to wait for reversal setup. H4 and L4 are breakout and breakdown layers. You need to wait for a breakout or breakdown. And H5 and L5 are the target layers. So I think I have discussed a lot in this content. I have shared a lot of information. If you feel the content is really helpful to you, please give your feedback in the comment section. Also, please let me know your thoughts about the membership plans in the comment section. So that's what I wanted to share. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned for more videos.